Fixing TV has sound but no pictures. So I'm gonna tell you how to fix this problem. So what you have to do is to make sure that number one step is power cycle. Make sure your LCD or your TV is properly plugged in with electricity. So what you have to do next is to unplug it from the electricity for like 60 seconds, then plug it back in. So the next thing is checking the connection. Make sure that you have a proper connection to your LED. Make sure ensure all the HDMIs and power cables are securely connected, and go to the brightness setting, adjust the brightness setting on your TV. Flashlight test, shine a flashlight on the screen to see if the backlight is working. If it's not, it might be broken and you have to take your TV to the retail center to fix it out. So the other thing is resetting your device. So restart any connected device like cable boxes or streaming devices if there is any. If not, you might have to take your TV to the retail center or customer service to fix the issue because it may be out of backlight issue in your LED. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.